Once you log into your account, you'll get to this page. And this just lets you look at all your event plans from the past and your confirmed bookings. But let's go to the tabletop into the glasses like you had mentioned. Now, the first thing that you want to make sure is that you're in the right catalog. Always with our site, we run two catalogs. One is for delivery and the other one is for in-store pickup. If you haven't ordered for a while, it'll ask you, but if you've been on the site recently, it may not ask you, and you don't want to be, it's always on full service delivery because we mostly do delivery. So you just want to click on in-store pickup so it loads the right catalog. Once the catalog has loaded, you'll be able to browse your items, and you'll know it's loaded because if it's in-store pickup, it shows you the in-store pickup price. And let's say I want to add this item. So I'm going to add 5 of these. I already added 4, so let's add one more. Add to my event plan. And then this little pop-up should come up, and then you can go here to the little cart right there, and you can look and see what's on your event plan. Make sure it's correct. 5 mugs. If you wanted to share it with somebody else, you can click on Share My Event List. If you're ready to book the items and you want to ask for a reservation, we have to check and see, make sure they're available for you. You just go to Proceed to Reservation Request. And it's going to, if you've logged in already, it's going to give you your account information. And then you're just going to fill this out. So I'm just going to do this so that you and I can do it together, sort of. And I'm going to pick it up on Monday. And we'll say that. And then click these buttons. This just means that you understand it's priced as a package. And here's your total, $143.60. I agree with that. So now I'm going to submit my reservation request. And it is just like that you can order stuff. Now from here what happens is we take it in on our side, we make sure the items are available, and then we'll send you the event plan that you can book. So that's the process, and I hope this video helps you, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.